question 24. Question 24 is actually testing the students on experimental chemistry, and the setup that is actually given here is steam distillation. Okay, so let's take a look at the question. Essential oils, they are organic chemicals that evaporate with steam. This is actually one of the important hint that is given in the question. So the Dean and Stark apparatus shown. Okay, it allows the collection of essential oils from leaves by boiling them in water. In which part of the apparatus will the essential oils accumulate during boiling? When water is boiling, we produce steam. Okay, so mixture of boiling water here produces steam. Okay, and since the steam vaporizes, the essential oils will also evaporate together with the steam. So the arrow in blue, right? This is my water vapor or the steam. Okay, and the one that I'm drawing now in red, this is for my essential oil. Okay, so let me label this is oil, essential oil, and this is steam. When it reaches condenser, the top condenser, okay, at part C, point C, the cool surface of the condenser will actually allow condensation to take place, correct? So both vapors, the steam and oil vapor, they will condense. And when they condense, they form the liquid water and liquid oil. So they will drop into the second condenser below here. Okay, they will flow back down into the second condenser or the bottom condenser. Now, this is where the separation takes place. Why? Because oil and water, they are immiscible. Okay, so they are immiscible, meaning that they do not mix together to form a homogeneous solution. So, how do they separate? Because they are immiscible, they do not mix, they will separate based on their density, separate due to different densities. Okay, between oil and water, water is the compound that is the liquid that is denser. So water will actually be collected at the bottom part of the bottom condenser, at the second condenser. Whereas oil it is less dense than water, it will float on water. So the point of the condenser where the essential oils accumulate during boiling, the answer will be A. Okay,